morning. I'm Jordy from the Blue Heron School. We're based out of the Squam Lakes Natural Science Center. And today we're going to talk about making patterns using objects that we find in nature. And a pattern is a repeated decorative design. And I went outside and I found all sorts of cool things. I found dandelions, pansies, bark, pine cones, lilies, some little green leaves, some rocks, and some sticks. I'm going to use those to make some patterns. So I have my piece of paper here, and I've got some glue. And let me see, I'm going to put some dots on for my patterns. So it's got to be repeated. So my first one, I think I'm going to do dandelion, bark, dandelion, bark, dandelion. What a beautiful pattern. All right, I'm going to try a different one now. Let's see. Maybe I'll do a pansy. They're so beautiful. And then I'm going to use another pansy. And then a little pine cone. So this is the pattern I'm going to repeat. So I'm going to do another pansy, pansy, pine cone. And then I don't have room to repeat it again, so I'll stop there. I could do a pattern with more than one object, more than two objects. So far I've just used two. Let's see now. This time maybe I will use green leaf, stick, rock. And that pattern I'll repeat. Green leaf, stick, rock, green leaf. Oh, these all look so cool. I've got a lot of stuff left though. I'm gonna do one with all flowers. Let's see. Dandelion, pansy. I'm going to put two lilies. Lily, lily. Dandelion, pansy. Oops, pansy. Lily. Oh, I think I've got room to stick my other lily on there. Lily. So go look around your house, see what objects you can find, and see how many different kinds of patterns you can create. It's really beautiful.